Hey everyone, are you ready to embark on a journey of epic proportions? Today, I am going to share some life lessons I've learned from reading the incredible Wheel of Time series. Trust me, this is going to be a read you won't want to miss.
Moraine to die.
I swear to speak no word that is not true, to make no weapon with which one person may kill another, and never to use the one power as a weapon.
Lesson number one, embrace the power of uniting differences. One of the most powerful messages in Wheel of Time is that the unity is strength and diversity is something to be celebrated. Just like the characters in the series, we can achieve greatness when we come together despite our differences. It is a perfect reminder to value inclusivity in our own lives too. Lesson 2, embrace a journey of self discovery. In the Wheel of Time series, Ran goes through a transformative journey of self discovery. It teaches us that sometimes we have to confront our fears, face our shadows, and embrace who we truly are in order to unlock our full potential. So let's remember to be open to self reflection and growth in our own lives. Lesson number 3, embrace the power of friendship. We all know that friendship can be a source of strength and confront. In Wheel of Time, the bond between the main characters reminds us of the power and joy that friendship brings. So let's cherish our own friendship and create lasting memories together. Lesson number 4, embrace the balance of power. The Wheel of Time teaches us that the power can be both a force of good and evil. It's a reminder to use power responsibly and maintain the delicate balance between the strength and compassion. Let's strive to find our own equilibrium and make a positive impact in the world just like the other characters do. Lesson 5, embrace the wisdom of the past. The ancient knowledge and wisdom passed down through our generations play a significant role in Wheel of Time. It's a reminder that there is much we can learn from our pasts and experiences of those who came before us. So let's seek wisdom, listen to our elders, and learn from the history to shape a better future. And there you have it all, folks. These are just the few of the incredible life lessons we can learn from the Wheel of Time series. So go ahead and grab a copy, dive into the captive mold of this entire fantasy, and let the lessons enrich your own life. And if you don't like reading, you can at least watch out the movies for it, as per se. I'll be inscribing the link in the description in case if you would like to read that particular book. You're free enough to do that.